Hi friends, good morning all of you. Vipin Sarai. Today we will discuss class 5 first chapter of science, plant reproduction. Okay, so as you know, we were at our houses because of coronavirus. So please do the things that do hand wash with the soap and all, and wear mask when you go outside. Do all these things. Okay, don't forget that. At the same time, you have to study also. That is why we are providing this online classes. Okay, so last way we will start our first chapter, plant reproduction. Okay, so in this chapter we will learn about, you please, if you have textbook, our textbook is little bit change is there. Before we were using old one textbook, Oxford one. Now we have this new textbook. Please take that also, keep it with you, so that will be easy for better learning. Okay, so first I'll just give introduction of this chapter, plant reproduction. So in this chapter you will learn that how a plant will reproduce, how कैसे एक नया बेबी प्लांट है एक सीड से आएगा, वो कैसे आएगा, वो सब चीज़ हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. Plant reproduction about that one. Then second one, the process of germination, how a seed develop into a seedling or a baby plant, that also you will study in detail. Then again the third point you will study in this chapter, that is about the seed dispersal, how a seed travel from one place to the other place. Okay, so that is the third thing you are going to study in this chapter. And last finally, how can we produce the crops, how can we make crops largely as a farming or like that, and how can we save that, understanding how crops are grown based on agriculture sector, or farmers, what farmers do in their farms, that also you will study in this chapter. Okay, so these are the things that you are going to study in this chapter in detail. So we'll go to the first topic. Okay, we need plants. No, हम लोग प्लांट्स जब तक ये दुनिया में है तब तक हम लोग क्या रहेंगे, हम लोग जिंदा रहेंगे. So if you may think without plant also we can live, ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं सोचना है. प्लांट्स नहीं है तो हम लोग को ऑक्सीजन नहीं मिलेगा, हम लोग को फूड भी नहीं मिलेगा. ठीक है, so if plants is there then only we will be there. Okay, so that is depend, we depend plants, plants also depend us, because if we give carbon dioxide, that they need to produce their food also. So mutual understanding, plants and human beings. Okay, plants and animals also. So everything is correlated, related one another in this world. So without plants we cannot live. So I will go to the first topic, plants, plant reproduction. Okay, so what is a small definition which is given in your textbook, that is plants are living things. Okay, plants are living thing. Plants are living things, and reproduction is needed for them for to increase in number. Plants reproduce through plants reproduce in different ways. They reproduce through their seeds, their stems, their roots, their leaves, and finally spores. Okay, so I'll repeat once again. Plants reproduce through their seeds, then their stems, then next one their roots, then leaves, and finally they reproduce through spores also. Okay, so how this reproduction is going on. Okay, that is we are going to discuss in the next topic. So going to the next topic, that growing plant from a seed. Okay, how a plant is come out from a seed. Okay, so before that you must know that how a seed comes from a plant. Okay, so basically we know that every plant, at least almost all the plants in this world may have that flowers. So that's the first stage of the germination of seed which is happening inside the which is happening in a plant. Okay, so first that is there the blossom, or that flowers will be there, and flowers changes into fruits, and then inside the fruit there will be we can see that small seeds, like apple is example for that. You just cut apple, and you can see that in the middle of the portion you can see apple seed. Okay, and next again so many fruits are there. You cut orange also, you will get seeds in that. So almost this procedure will be there to become seeds in a plant. Like first there will be flowers, then flowers, after there will be fruits, and inside the fruits there will be seeds. So that you keep in your mind. And again different plants have different kinds of seeds. We have so many seeds there, seeds out there. Like in the morning breakfast itself we eat different seeds, like pea खाता है हम लोग, मटर खाता है, then again maybe rice, maybe all the day we will be having rice only, then again wheat will be there, then again I have some examples. For seeds we have chana, chana seeds are there. Then again we have that green pea, this one, मटर बोलता है इसको. These all things are here. You go and check in your kitchen. मम्मी के साथ किचन में एक बार जाइए, वहाँ पे अलग अलग सीड्स आपको मिलेंगे. सीधा भी, some seeds you can eat directly and some seeds you can eat with the make a sabji and eat. Okay, curry बना करके खाइए. So that also another thing about seeds. Okay, so some seeds are अलग अलग शेप में रहता है, अलग अलग कलर में रहेगा. Like आप लोग ये देखिए, मटर that will be in a round shape. Then again chana that you can see in brown color, and dal देखिए, dal will be in yellow color. अलग अलग colors dals will be available like rainbows, I think. So many colors you will get different types of dal. Okay, so that is about the seeds. Seeds will be available in different colors, different sizes, and छोटा छोटा मिलता है. Mustard will be the smallest, उसका भी छोटा छोटा मिलता है mustard, and बड़ा बड़ा seed भी there. You this one open and see a mango, you can see a big seed inside. So seeds will be different sizes and different colors also. Okay, so that is some seeds may have that smell also. You just elachi, you break it and you just smell it, and you can see that smell of seeds. So some seeds also like, so अलग अलग seed में अलग अलग size रहता है, अलग अलग color में रहता है. Some seeds are having smell also. So that is about the basic things about a seed. And you know that at least in your houses there will be so many at least in your house there will be mango trees. Okay, so some of you may think that मेरा घर का आगे में ये मैंगो ट्री है, मैंगो ट्री में पूरा मैंगो है, इतना सारा सीड्स मेरा घर का बरामदा में, ये तो आगे वाला प्लेस में जो कहाँ पे मैंगो ट्री रहता है वहाँ पे पूरा मैंगो गिर जाता है. ठीक है, तब उधर पूरा क्या हो जाएगा, मैंगो ट्री बच जाएगा. ऐसा if you think like that, that is a good thinking. Okay, so there are some conditions needed to grow a seed. ठीक है, ये seed से एक बेबी प्लांट बनने के लिए कुछ they need some conditions, some favorable conditions. If some favorable conditions are there, then only the seed will become into a seedling. Okay, so before going to that, there are some reasons which is given in the textbook that some seeds do not, all the mangoes which is all present in the mango, all the seeds will not become a mango plant. Okay, mango tree. Okay, so there are some conditions need that a mango seed to become a mango seedling. Okay, so before that they are given some one important thing that some all these seeds will not grow into a mango tree. So that is why now you may think that why all the seeds are not becoming a mango tree. So some cases are there. There are some cases are given there. Some reasons are given there that all the seeds will not grow into a mango tree. So that is according to the seed. So they are given some reasons that why all the seeds do not grow into a plant. First reason is seeds are not healthy. If there is the seeds are not having energy, they are not healthy, so then the seed will not become a seedling. Okay, so if seeds are not healthy, they will not become a seedling. Okay, so the second reason they are giving that if the some seeds may taken by the wind or they may taken by the water. ठीक है, ज़्यादा बारिश आएगा, ज़्यादा पानी मिलेगा, तो the seeds will be dead and decayed, वो क्या है मिट्टी में मिल जाएगा. So some ज़्यादा पानी मिलेगा तो भी seed का अंदर जो growth होता है वो मर जाएगा. So that also another second reason that whole seeds will not become a seedling. Okay, then the third one is some seeds are eaten by birds and animals. जो birds है, चिड़िया सब है, वो जो मलबरी ट्री में बैठा हुआ है वो जो खाएंगे. So some seeds will be eaten by these birds, and some animals also will eat these types of seeds. So that such a type of seeds will not grow into a baby plant. Okay, that is the third reason. Then the final reason, last reason, they are saying that the seeds, unless the seed gets right conditions, okay, enough amount of air, water, etc. If the seeds are not getting the right amount of air, water, the seed will not grow. Okay, so all the seeds of a mango tree, that will not become a baby plant नहीं बन जाएंगे. If they get sufficient amount of air, water, and warmth, then only the seed will become into a seedling. Okay, so that the 4 reasons you please note down, just underline here, that will be easy for you to study. That there are some reasons that all the seeds will not grow into a baby plant. That first reason they are saying that they are not, if some seeds are healthy seeds will give a baby plant. Some seeds are not healthy, then they will not become a baby plant. Okay, reason, some seeds may eaten by birds and animals, that also will not become a baby plant. And the third one, some seeds may taken by the wind and water, so that also will be dead and decayed, they will not become a baby plant. And the last one is if the seeds are getting not enough amount of that air and water etc, the favorable condition, they will not ग्रो. ठीक है, मतलब एक एग्जाम्पल बताएंगे, एक सीड एक स्टोन का ऊपर है, वो कितना दिन वहाँ पे रहेगा, बारिश आएगा, पानी मिलेगा, कितना मिलेगा, तो वो क्या है, सीड इट विल नॉट बिकम ए सीडलिंग बिकॉज दे कैन नॉट, देयर इज नो सोइल. ओके, रूट्स नहीं बन जाएगा. ठीक है, इसलिए that will be decayed there itself. Okay, so keep that 4 reason in your mind, just underline it and study that. Okay, so moving to the next one, the parts of seed. Parts of seed देखने के लिए in the textbook there is given an activity. Okay, you are in home, I think almost you can do this activity. It's a very simple activity. At least in your houses there will be pea seeds will be available. Pea नहीं ये तो चना का, chana seed will also, this one chana. You put chana in water. Okay, after this video, today itself, before going to sleep, you take some chana and put it in the water. Okay, the next day morning you can see some changes in that. Okay, so the structure of seed, next year I will show you the structure of seed. I'll put a photo of that also, that will be easy for you to study. Okay. Like this. This is a small structure of rough figure of a structure of a pea seed. So almost some pea seeds are having a seed coat. Okay, there will be a outer covering, a seed coat will be there. Then there is a, if you watch it carefully, you do observe it properly, then you can see some small holes are there in a pea seed. In pea seed, that hole will be there. That hole allow the air passage through it. So there are small tiny holes will be there. A tiny hole will be there. Then inside portion, that is a, this is a food storage base. Okay, अंदर वाला portion में बाहर का portion को seed coat बोलेंगे, which protect the seedling which is present inside that seed. Then there is a tiny hole will be there. And last third portion, the ये जो हम लोग देख सकते हैं ना, ये portion को food portion बोलेंगे. ठीक है, so these are the basic structure of a seed. I'll put a photo, detailed description will be there, so that will be easy for you to study better. Okay, so that will be the structure of seed. You do that activity, that will be nice. Put a pea or chana that in water today itself, and tomorrow morning you can see that outer cover will be there. Outer cover you can simply that put in water, and next day you just try to open it. It will be a little bit spongy like structure. They said that you can see seed coat that will be toned. Okay, it is but when you put in water, water will go inside that seed. Okay, so then you can see, when the next day morning you can see that you will notice that the seed become soft. The seed will be little bit soft, and it has a thin outer cover, that seed coat will be there, and you just try to open that. Otherwise you can see that a small baby plant, a seedling will be there, that also you can see. Okay, so that small seedling, that portion, the next day you can see a small outgrowth will be there. Okay, so that will be embryo. Okay, this embryo will become a new baby plant if it gets a sufficient amount of air, water and warmth. Okay, so that is a simple description about a seed. Okay, that is all about that activity. You try to do that one. The next one is, I think all of you may understood this one. Okay, try to do that activity. That is a very simple activity you can do at your home. Okay, I think I think you understood this one. There will be outer covering, that is a seed core, which is protects the seed. Okay, then there will be a small hole to it allows the passage of air, which is needed for this seed. And third one, there is a the tiny hole, small hole. Then again, the food which is present there, or the flesh that which we eat. Okay, so that is these all things you can see here. A seed. Okay, and I will just rub it. We will go to the next one. Okay, the next portion, next page number 3. Again, we have one more activity. So before going to that activity, going for that activity, there's a small topic that is called seed germination. How a seed germinates or seed changes into a seedling. That process name is called germination. Okay, how a seed becomes a seedling. So that is they are given the simple definition of seed germination. That is the process by which a seed changes into a seedling. Okay, that is called germination. A seed, simply we can write like this: seedling of baby plant. Baby plant will be easy for you to study. Okay, this process. Seed changes into seedling or baby plant. That process name is called seed germination. Okay, so to study this seed germination, how a seed become a seedling, there are some conditions needed. The seed needs some things. If the seed get that in sufficient amount, then only the seed will become a baby plant. Okay, it's needed for a seed to become a baby plant. Okay, there are some things needed for a seed to become a baby plant. If the seed get these things, then only the seed will changes into a baby plant. Okay, to identify that, we have a small activity which is given in the textbook. Take 4 bowls, and in that 4 bowl you have to keep cotton. Okay, cotton you have to put in that, and in that cotton, above that cotton also you place some seeds there. Okay, seeds there, and now you have to keep these bowls in different First, you give a number, bowl number 1, 2, 3, 4 bowl लीजिए. Take first bowl, उसका अंदर cotton डालिए, उसका अंदर seeds डालिए. Keep it in a safe place which gets enough amount of air and sunlight. Okay. Second bowl, take the second bowl, keep little cotton, keep 2-3 pieces of seed, and pour little bit water over it, and keep it in the right place which gets enough amount of air and sunlight, and pour little bit water continuously. You have to maintain that. Okay, take the third bowl and put that cotton in that, and put some seeds, and you have to a little bit water also you give, and keep it in your fridge. You don't open the fridge for 1 or 2 days. Okay, and fourth one, take the bowl, put cotton and put seeds, and pour half of the bowl must be water, that the seeds must be inside the water. Okay, now you observe it tomorrow or day after tomorrow. After 2 days you observe it. Okay, what changes happens, that is do as a small experiment, small activity, and find out the result, what happens. Bowl number 1, you have to make a small table. Left side bowl number 1, and the right side you have to write what are the conditions, which कौन bowl का अंदर जो seed डाला है उसमें से seedling बाहर आ गया. Okay, so now you can understand what are the favorable conditions needed for a seed to become a baby plant. After doing this activity, you can understand that a seed needs air, water, sunlight. Okay, warmth also. Sunlight, everything comes in the warmth. Okay, so these 3 things: air, water, and warmth needed for a seed to become a baby plant. Okay, so that is called the germination process. When a seed changes into a seedling, so that process name is called germination, seed germination. Okay, seed changes into seedling, that process name is called seed germination. Okay, now next one, moving to next one. Growing plants from seeds, first we discussed that is the some examples are simple example vegetable sabji में हो जाएगा that bitter gourd. Pumpkin. Okay, I'll give two examples. Second one, growing plants from. Second one, seed. First one was seed. Second one is a stem. So growing plants from stem, that will be. So many examples are there. Rose plant, then money plant. These two will be grown by stem cutting. Okay. So one more is there that potato, and ginger also are good examples of the plants growing with the from stem. Okay. The next one, growing plants from seed हो गया, stem हो गया. Next one is the root. Okay. From roots also plant can grow. Okay. Simple example हम लोग का घर में जो होगा carrot, radish, carrot, then radish, then next one leaves. Textbook picture is given bryophyllum. Bryophyllum, and growing plants from last one, spores. Growing plants from growing spores, that is example ferns. Plants can reproduce by these different ways. Okay, plants can grow from seeds, plants can grow from stems, plants can grow from root, then again leaves and spores. Okay, so I'll give a detailed explanation, small करके लेंगे. First one, growing plants from seeds, I already explained the example pea or some bitter gourd. Then again the pumpkin, which is you put that seeds in soil and provide enough amount of air, water and warmth, that seed will become a seedling. Okay, so that mango also a good example that the plants can grow from a seed. Okay, so that is the first type of growing plants. Okay, reproduction in plants. Okay, then second one is the stem. How a simple example, growing plants from stem. I think you can see that this one. This is a potato, and potato can reproduce. Okay, like some potatoes, at least maybe in your house there will be potatoes. At least you may observe potatoes. Some potatoes are having these type of buds in there. Okay, buds. Some outgrowth buds we call this as a buds. Okay, so it is having another name, that eye of a potato. So this can easily give birth. It can easily become a small baby potato plant if you put this in the soil, and if it get enough amount of air, water and warmth, then this potato can easily become into a baby plant. Okay, so that is the best example, growing plants from stem, potato and ginger. And growing plants from stem, we can use that stem cutting method by rose plant का उसका stem cut करके मिट्टी में डाल दीजिए. Then after 5 or 6 days you can see that cut portion, that it will become a new plant. Roots will be developed. Okay, और करी पत्ता होगा अपने घर में, करी पत्ता भी वही प्रोसेस में नया प्लांट बन जाता है. Cut the small piece of a curry leaf stem and put it in the soil and provide enough amount of air, water and warmth, it will become new baby plant. Okay, then third one, growing plants from root. Okay, carrot or radish will be available in your home. So cut the topmost portion of the carrot. Okay, here. Carrot. Okay, so cut it from here, then you will get the top portion like this. this topmost portion you put it in the soil, keep it for 2-3 days, provide enough amount of air, water and etc. Then easily that carrot or radish will become a new baby plant. Okay, so that also another good example for growing plants with from roots. Carrot radish is a good example. The next one, growing plants from leaves and growing plants from this one spores. I think it is not available here. I already searched but I did not get it. Only I got this potatoes. So that is why I brought here. I show here. This one is next. This one, growing plants from leaves. Okay, bryophyllum is a good example. Bryophyllum's leaves, the edges of the leaf, there will be small baby plants. The small buds will be there baby plant का. तो क्या करेंगे? वो हवा आएगा तो when that baby plant will become mature that side, वो क्या करेंगे? हवा में चल जाएगा दूसरा प्लेस में, so वहाँ पे नया बेबी प्लांट बन जाएगा. So okay, bryophyllum is an example for growing plants from leaves. Okay, the next one, the last one, growing plants from spores. Okay, how a plant reproduce with the help of spores. In textbook it is given forms as a example. Forms, that is a small single-celled reproductive body which is available in the downside portion of the leaf of these type of plants. That is a single-celled reproductive body. So when it get matured, it will be thrown away, taken away by the wind, or it will fall down in the soil. Then that will become, if it get enough amount of air, water and warmth, it will become a this one baby plant. Okay, so growing plants from seeds. These are the 5 different ways that a plant reproduce. How a plant reproduces these 5 different methods. Growing plants from seeds, from stem, from root, from leaves and from spores. Okay, so this is the main thing here. I'll give you a homework. Make a small table. Plants grown from examples. First one. Write 3 examples. Dash. You have to write that. Okay. And again, next one. Stem. Next one. Root. Next one. Leaves. Last one. Make it at your home. This is your homework, and just revise 2-3 times whatever I taught today. I think all of you may understood. Thank you for listening me, and have a good day.